Hello YouTube, how everybody doing today? It's a good Sunday. It's a little cold, but it's alright. Today we're gonna take the Vette. We're gonna take it to Sam's Club and get new tire sensors in there and get the wheels balanced. It's something simple just to keep it up. And so without further ado, let's get a little cold start and let's get it going. As you can see, not that loud, but it's always good to have a great little cold start in the morning, so nice little cold start there. So before I take off though, I do want to take a moment to admire these tires right here. These are enormous. These 285s, these are 335s, Michelin Sport all season. So those are beautiful.
Right, I'm about to say, come on now, bro.
I just picked up my friend. We about to go to Sam's Club. Finna, do this stuff to the tires, and we'll be back. Welcome back, YouTube. Unfortunately, Sam's Club didn't have the wheel sensors. I thought they did, but they didn't. And I'm not sponsored by Sam's Club anyway, just that, I like Sam's Club. They affordable, so, I went there. But fortunately, though, I were able to get the wheels balanced. Let's see if you can see some of the wheel weights. You can see 1/2 ounce right there. Some up there. See if we can see any more. And go some 1/4 ounce weights. So, like I said, it's always good to keep the minor thing in your car going. Beautiful C6. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that loud. I still get y'all a little cold start. Thank y'all for watching.